Hi, what's up SLP coin holder? What's going on? Today video is very important for SLP holder because over this time you can see here SLP price will dumps down. All cryptocurrencies were moving upward, but SLP were fails down. So the main reason, my friend, was that you can see after this huge dump, absolutely, my friend, after a huge pump, absolutely they will dump. So therefore you can see after this dump they will also start moving upward. Congratulations, my brother. This is last 7 days chart. If we check out last 24 or last 3 days chart, just and only, so you can see here 7.33% they will get a profit. Oh my goodness, it's a very good news, my friend, and definitely SLP holder the price will increasing. So congratulations, many, and I am 100% sure, my friends, to upcoming days also SLP price will pumps up more and more. But that all credits, my friends, goes to holder. If a holder are starting holding, if a holder are starting buying, so the price will pumps up, the volume is increased. So if a volume is increased, so definitely the price will also increase. So I'm 100% sure, my friends, to SLP price will pumps up in upcoming days, and they will give you a very good profit. So why you will miss this chance? Please take a risk and get 100% profit. My prediction is 100% going positive, and my opinion is for all of you to please hold. So what's your opinion? Please tell me in a comment box, and please share your experience in a comment box. Thanks for watching, holder. If you want to earn money from crypto, you will need, my friends, to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more latest urgent updates videos of all cryptocurrencies. So see you next time. Please take care, and yes, remember, my brothers, to hold now. All right, so this is my opinion. Hold now. Allah Hafiz, take care. See you next time.